Blessings. Thanks for tuning in to this video. Anxiety sometimes gets the best of all of us. This will really help you to calm in those moments, or to center in those moments. So you will inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth. So you'll inhale for 4 seconds, hold that breath for 4 seconds, and then you'll exhale for 4 seconds, or as long as you can. You'll wait 4 seconds, and then you'll do that process over, and you'll repeat that process a total of 4 times. So you'll do it 4 times in totality, and I guarantee you it will bring you back to calm. So I'll do the first set. Deep breath in 4 seconds. So if you enjoyed this content and you'd like to see more of it, hey, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope to see you again.